to Mr. Copper's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a Mexican pie. It's a little something I made up. Everybody in the family likes Mexican food, so we're going to start with browning our ground beef, and then we'll drain it, and then we'll be right back with you when we get it browned. Okay, we're back. I have browned the ground beef and drained it. Now I put it back in the pot. Alright, to the ground beef we're going to add a little salt. Now I like to cook without measuring, but when I do my recipes I do give you a measurement. But I just like to put what feels good. Then we're going to add a little onion, and the rest of the onion we're going to save for our toppings. And a little rotel tomatoes with chili, green chilies. Can of tomato sauce. Mix all this up. Probably have to add just a little bit of water. I don't know if I will or not. Looks like it might be pretty good without it. Get that all mixed up. Then we're going to add some diced green chilies. Thank you. My assistant and camera person. And one package of taco seasoning. That's going to make it really good Mexican. And I do not dilute this. I just put it in. If it makes it a little thick, that's when I add the water to it. We will see what we come up with. If we're using our red copper pot to mix all this up in and simmer it, we're going to use a red copper pan to make our pie. Okay, we're just going to let this simmer for about 10-12 minutes till the onions get good and sauteed on medium to low heat. So we'll be back in about 10 minutes. And we're back. Whoop. Spinning around. We're going to stir it up here. It's been simmering for a little while. Looks like it's good and ready. So we're going to take our Copper Chef red copper skillet. We are going to use a pie crust that's already made. I like to do things easy. And we'll just unroll it once we get it out of the package. That may take us a little while. There we go. Now I'll let these set out and get room temperature for about 15 minutes or longer. Because if you get them out of the refrigerator cold, they just don't like to unroll very well. So you start and just unroll it. That one's going to stick. And get it unrolled. And we'll just toss it around a little bit, but I don't want to tear it too much. Get my onions out of the way. And I'm just going to lay it in my skillet. Now I don't put a top layer on my Mexican pies, but if you wanted to put a top layer on, you could. Just form it to the inside of the skillet. You'll notice we didn't put any kind of spray, oil, or grease on our skillet before we started. Then we're going to put our meat sauce in. And just layer it in there. And I think that we're going to, okay, put our sauce in. I think we're going to have enough sauce and all to make a double pie. So when I get this one ready, I'll go ahead and mix up the other one. Turn the stove off because this is cooked now. Put our sauce in. So now we're going to put a layer of refried beans. And I'll just dip them out of the can. Put them in. Kind of mix them up in there. Now, kind of layer it like a lasagna, I guess, but save that rest of that for the other pot which we're making tea. Okay, we put our refried beans in. Now we're going to layer it with a blend of Mexican cheese. And then I preheated the oven to 375. They will cook for about 30 minutes. Get everything all blended and cooked together and cook our pie crust. That one's ready to go in the oven. Get this one. We've got them all set, mixed in. Oven been preheated to 375. We're going to put this one in. And turn our handle that way. Put this one in under that handle and turn our handle that way. So our door will close. Set our timer for 35 minutes. And we will be back. Okay, time is up. They should be ready to come out. And I believe they are. They look pretty good. So we'll let them sit for just about 5 or 10 minutes to sit. They will be ready to plate up and enjoy.
No, I got